How you doing, number two? Okay, yeah. What? Okay. Yeah. We know what's coming. So there's no point really even talking about it, but let me show you what's happening here in the garden. The pond is full. Had a lot of rain. I planted peanuts, and they're not really doing too good. I didn't expect them to do good because it's going into winter. But this is the daikon radish, and look at the soil. See that? Got an onion that came up over there. They didn't really do too good in here. And these are the beets that I planted, and they're really doing really good. They all came up. Now you could eat the beet leaves, okay? And this is spinach right here. And it didn't really come up that good either. See that? But what I'm doing is, wherever I got a clump of them, like right here, you know, I'm spreading them out, and I'm just filling in the gaps. See right here where I'm gonna put one in? Just spreading them out. And I got another one I'm gonna stick in right there. I'm just gonna try to fill in the gaps. But look over here. This is that daikon radish, and it's doing really good. It's doing pretty good. I want to try to find one. I made a video earlier where I harvested one, but I took them all in last night. But some of them, they're all a whole bunch of different sizes, and some of them are pretty big and some of them aren't. Dang, I should have looked for one before I made the video. But anyways, they come in various sizes in here, and I harvested, you know, about 3 or 4 of them already, so I don't want to harvest any more. And these little black caterpillars or something that want to eat them. But anyways, the spinach right there, it didn't come up very good, so I'm just trying to get the most that I can out of it. And the point is this: I've got food. Okay, this daikon radish, it ain't exactly the greatest thing to eat, but let me pull one up. Yeah, here's one. I can pull one up right here. There's some that are a lot bigger than this right here, but the thing is, you know, you have food. So I could eat the beet leaves. I could eat this daikon radish, and I could eat the spinach over here. See that? 3 rows of spinach. I could eat a whole bunch of beet leaves. They go really good in a salad. I don't know about these little black caterpillars. They're everywhere. And then more daikon radish over here. The peanuts, I didn't expect them to really grow, but I wanted to put them in there just to see. I know there's various sizes of this daikon radish. I mean, it's not the greatest thing to eat, but it's like horseradish. You know, it's clinging you up. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah, here we go. This is a little bigger one, but you know, you just go through there and select the ones that are a little bit bigger, and you know, there's enough to make it through to February. But this will go all the way. I mean, I've had food every month out of the year so far, which is pretty cool. I was gonna plant the whole thing with this daikon radish, but man, you got to make experiments all the time till you figure it all out. I ordered some carrots and some cilantro, and you know, I'm gonna plant that somewhere. I don't know. I think I'm gonna plant it where the peanuts were at. But and then I harvested some green beans. You know, we had a freeze, or you know, high 30s, and it kind of like killed the plant. So I'm just slowly tearing it apart as I'm replanting. I'm going back and forth, do a little bit there, then come over here. You know, to try to prevent what do you call that? Repetitive stress injury or whatever on your joints. You know, you want to do different activities. You don't want to do the same activity, you know, for 8 hours. You want to use different muscle groups in your body. Otherwise, you're going to end up being in a lot of pain. So that's the purpose of doing different tasks. Okay. Look pretty cool. Yeah, there's some radish that I harvested last night, and I'm probably gonna burn it right in here. And the cool thing is that there's a lot of food. Now, you got to prepare though. You got to have food in that ground, and the only way you're gonna learn how to grow food is to grow it, to do it. I think it kind of looks kind of cool. A lot of beets. So next year I'm gonna plant, you know, beets and that daikon radish, and I'll probably till most of it under as organic manure. Pretty cool. I got food every month out of the year. And I'm thinking of doing an experiment with the 15 bean soup, planting it in here, creating another trellis. I had a commenter that, you know, some people don't know what all the different beans look like. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and run that experiment and use about, you know, 3 rows, 90 feet, divided by 15, 6 feet per bean, you know, and see what the plant looks like, and then see what actually will take off, what'll work in this area. Okay, see y'all later. Oh yeah, I got another pear tree, so I got matching pear trees, 2 apple trees, and 2 peach trees down there. And I'm gonna turn this into a really nice walkway. All up in here, all this will be green. You know, try to do some landscape design in the garden. It doesn't have to be, you know, strictly for food. You know, you want to be able to enjoy it. So it looked pretty cool.